Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Cowgirl. The song is Cowgirl. The artist is Big Yayo featuring J1 and T Baby, and the choreography is ALICIA Williams. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 2510674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you want the step-by-step instruction for this dance, watch till the end and I'll post the video. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Extravaganza, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's get it.
Sound
I'm getting ready to throw down. That's a workout, y'all. Lifting those knees up. Try it. Try it, come back, leave a comment, let me know what you think. This is a great workout. That is Cowgirl. Make sure y'all check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Don't say I didn't tell you. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. Whew. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.